video, guys. Today we got Steve's VY SS. So thanks for coming out today, Steve. Here at Caffeine and Gasoline, and thought we might do a quick video on your VY SS. So how long have you had it for?
I've had the car for 23 years. I bought this car brand new in 2003.
Okay. And have you had it painted? This looks pretty perfect.
This was painted roughly 10 years ago. Okay.
Because the hothouse green is one of my favourite colours, but they do have a tendency to sort of fade.
Very transparent. Very transparent.
This one's absolutely perfect. And you've gone with like the Sandman.
Yeah, I've done a Sandman Tribute on it. I thought no one else has really done it.
Yeah.
So I thought, why not?
So where'd you get like the stencils from?
Stencils I got for a guy in Tasmania. These are actually HZ/HX stencils.
Oh really?
That go on the genuine Sandman.
Well, there you go.
I've made them fit on the VY. So
I was going to say they fit perfectly.
Yeah.
So it actually looks like it's meant to be there.
There was only a little bit of difference, but they're the genuine article.
Yeah. So what have you done with it since you've had it? There's a few mods. It looks like
it's had its phases, its stages over the 23 years, but it's had everything done to it.
Yep. I can see some HSD brakes.
Yes.
Front and rear.
Yes.
Looks pretty good. Massive on the front. What wheels are these?
These are AME wheels that the wheel shop have recreated.
Okay.
They're a two-piece wheel.
Yep.
They're 20 by 8 and 20 by 9.
Yep. And the interior looks like a little bit custom in here too. Done a few things to this. Got these Coulsons.
Yeah, they're genuine Coulsons.
You've had them redone and
they've been retrimmed as well, including with the trim.
Yep. And you can continue the green theme throughout.
Yeah.
Gauges, and that's a short shifter. What shifter is that?
That is a billet product shifter.
Okay.
Which has three stages of height. So that's on the middle height.
All right.
I can go one down again.
Oh, so you can change it.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's good.
It's basically like a rip shifter.
Yep.
They're sort of similar.
Yep.
But this one's got the height adjustment on it.
Okay. Yep. Yep. Oh, looks all right. So, there's a bit's been done to this. You want to?
Yes.
Where did it start?
It started with, when I first bought it, was tune only.
Yeah.
And then I went on with cam only, then cam and heads.
Yeah.
And now it's a full built 5.7 litre.
Oh, okay.
Crank.
Yep.
Rods, fly cut pistons.
Yep.
CNC porter heads. 11.5 to 1 comp.
And what are those extractors on it?
Extractors are X-Force, 1.75 inch.
Okay. They look pretty big. So what's the result? How much power does it make on the dyno?
On the hub dyno, it made 340 kilowatt.
Oh really?
On the hub dyno.
Oh, that's pretty solid.
So it's pretty healthy for an NA.
Yeah, 5.7. So is it still 5.7?
It's slightly bigger than the 346.
Yep.
It's probably up to 366 now.
Yep. And it's sitting at a perfect ride height. What have you done as far as suspension goes?
It's got Petter's coilovers in it.
Okay.
Front and rear.
Yep. So fully adjustable. So you just got it sitting. Yeah, it's pretty perfect, really. Just above on the front, and just slightly tuck in the tyre at the rear. All right, Steve. I reckon we start it up and have a listen to it.
No problem.
Pretty easy to drive, or is it a bit?
Oh look, it's firm.
Yep.
But yeah, it's pretty easy to drive.
Yeah.
Yes, the diff's been done in this.
Yep.
It's got a 2-track 373 gears in it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's got the Harrop diff cover on it.
Yep.
It's pretty much it, really.
Yeah. Definitely sounds good. I love my Monaro to sound like this. Mine's just stock, and it's got an exhaust and extractors, but yeah.
You can tell with LS motors when they're done up or when they're just standard.
Yeah.
They've got that different note to them.
Oh, completely, yeah. Do you plan to do anything else to it, or is it finished?
Oh, there's always something to do on it.
Yeah.
I mean, I've got other cars as well, but this one's sort of my play car, so.
Yeah, okay. How'd you get the interior done?
In Charge Automotive in Tullamarine.
Okay. Yeah.
And this was done over 10 years ago as well.
Oh, really? Yeah, it looks great. Got something cool on the roof here. What's this?
This what they call lowrider airbrushing.
Yeah.
A mate of mine, Dave at Race Paint, surprised me when we painted the car.
Okay.
And I teed with the idea, and he went and did it.
Yeah.
And when I got to pick up the car, I seen this on top of the roof.
Oh, that's really cool.
So yeah, it was pretty cool.
Yeah. That looks great. Great job. Thanks, Steve, for showing me your VY SS. Beautiful car. Absolutely love it.
Oh,
got some socks for you from XDMG and a shirt.
Thank you very much.
15% off. Link in the description for 15% off workwear. But thanks again, and
Always.
love
Pleasure,
you.
mate.
Cheers.